Hey, in this video, I will show you how to sell on the Facebook Marketplace on any iPhone and on any Android device. And I'll show you why this is superior to eBay, any in-country or marketplaces that you have because they have fees. Marketplace doesn't have fees. I managed to sell a lot of things very easily there. And I'll show you how to do it. And I've actually updated this video for 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new with notifications on. And hey, if you have any questions while you are watching this video, let me know in the comment section down below. I try to reply to every single comment I get. And we get a lot currently because we're uploading over 100 of these videos per week for your value. And also, let me know in the comment section which country are you watching this video. I'm curious to know where you guys are from. So what you want to do is obviously go on the Facebook app, and to access Marketplace, sometimes you don't have it in your bottom menu. You want to click on menu at the top right corner if you're on an Android device, or at the bottom right corner if you are on an iPhone, and you want to go down to Marketplace. Here it is. So when you do, you see today's picks, different vehicles, rental properties, real estate, small gadgets, iPhones, whatever, you name it, they have it. And to actually sell on Facebook Marketplace, you want to click on the sale option, and here you can select between items, vehicles, property for sale, or rent, or jobs. What I like to do, and I've done some job offers for freelancers. Instead of using and paying for a premium ad on Upwork for 30 bucks, you can just uh, you have a job offer here. If you're an importer, you can click on items, add an item. For example, I'll add my camera right now. Click on done. You can add more photos. Obviously, we want to add as many photos as you can. Right here, it's very easy. You can even adjust them, make the brightness a little bit better, resize them, whatever. Um, you want to have an appealing title, an appealing price. Maybe you want to do some research, undercut some people on the price category. It automatically sees what category you want from the photos, camera, lenses, all of that. It automatically chooses that, or helps me choose that condition. It's used, but it's like new for me. Add item variant. You can add they have different options, for example, sizes, whatever. You can add that brand if it's a brand. For example, for me, it's Canon compatible camera. I have no idea what that is. I think that's um, a little bit more of the additional options. Then your location. I'm in Bulgaria. You want to add in your city, and from by just choosing the location, it's very easy. You don't have to type anything or know your location. Tags. You want to add some tags. Availability listed as a single item. Offer delivery. Obviously, you want to do that, and you can even hide it from your friends if you want to, and hide the whole offer from your friends if you don't want your friends to know that maybe you really need to sell something, or you don't want to know that you don't want your friends to know that you have a business. So again, if this video helped you out, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps me out a lot. And if you have any questions while you were watching this 4-minute video, let me know in the comment section, but down below I'll try to get back to your comment ASAP. I want to see you in the next video. Bye.